Thanks for tuning back in. Are you tired of comparing file sizes to verify that your transfer was successful? OffShoot got your back. The application verifies all transfers automatically using an XXH64BE checksum. You can use legacy checksums too. However, this comes with the cost of decreased transfer speeds. What is a checksum? You might ask yourself. To make a long story short, it's a number representing a set of data, such as a video clip generated by an algorithm. When copying data, the application uses it to detect changes in the file. If the checksum is identical on the source and destination, they are an exact copy. Watch the following videos to learn about the different verification modes, when and why to use them, and which modes I have used in the past. As always, hit the subscribe button, leave comments and share the videos. Thanks for watching. Cheers and bye.